If you want your iPhone screen to lock immediately when someone opens any particular app, then let us see what to do. For that one, what we will do is we will go ahead and open this shortcuts application. Tap on this plus icon here. In this search action, let us look for lock screen. Select it and then done. After that, select this automation, select new automation, and in this search we will look for app. Select app and then we will select this option, choose. Now you can select any app which if any other person will use, then your iPhone screen will lock immediately. For example, let me say photos. So I will select photos and then done. After that, what I will do is I will select this option, run immediately, and then next. And under my shortcuts I have this lock screen which I had created. I will select it. Once I do it, now it is finished. So suppose if someone tries to open the gallery, then let us see what happens. You can see the iPhone screen will lock immediately. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.